Hello you guys, I got this here magnetic wireless power bank from a seller on Amazon that wanted me to try it out and show a video of it, test it out. So they sent me this. As you see, it's a ULiX, I'm going to say that's how you say it, ULiXWH magnetic power bank. And these are some of the specs on it. MagSafe-1, I guess, is the model. This is gray color. And this here battery inside of this is 5,000 milliamp per hour. Where the rated capacity there, you see, says 3,000. Which is kind of weird. I guess that's, I don't know. I'm not totally sure on that. Why it says 5,000 and then just 3,000 is the rated capacity. But I'm not sure on that. That's what it says. It advertises 5,000 here. 18 watt fast charging of this device, not of your phone. The phone charging wirelessly. 7.5 wireless charging. It says there. And back here, it said 15 watt max wireless charging output. It's not totally clear, but yeah, I'm gonna say it could maybe do 15 watt max MagSafe mode, you know, wireless charging. Now, I have never used one of these, to be honest. This is gonna be my first one ever messing with. You know, used to be, I can't even open it hardly. Used to be you'd use these little solar panel with batteries in them, similar type setup that you'd charge your phone, or you'd have those power banks where you charge the battery manually and plugged in your phone to them and stuff. Well, there, that's why they've got this to pull it out here. Okay, so we're opening this up. It's got what looks like MagSafe, you know, on there. Got a cord, so it's USB-C, C to C. It's got the user manual. Cool. Okay. So let's see what this thing looks like. Got one little mark there. Okay, but as you see here, it's made in China. Wireless output says 15 watt max, 5,000 milliamp. Puts out not 15, that's 18.5 watts. So yeah, it can handle that. Type C output. Okay. Oh, my hands are sweaty too. Okay, so this here, let's see. It has a charge, that's good. See? So that's showing that. Now I've got this phone here. This is a locked phone. Yeah. Oh well, I want to see if it works, you know. So, let's see if we put this. Yep, look at that. Look at that. It is charging it. So yeah, it's working right away. Awesome. I don't know what all but as you see, it sticks pretty good because it's magnetic, you know, and charging it. What I'm going to do is try connecting it with a cable through this port here. Let me grab a cable. Okay, so this here phone I'm trying this with is in 13, so it's still got the lightning port. So if I plug in a lightning cable to USB-C, lay it down over here, and then plug it into here. Okay, it's immediately working. As you see, that one blue light isn't on. So that blue light must have meant it's using wireless charging. That must be what that meant. So I would guess this first, or I guess last blue light here that used to be here is wireless charging. This might be lit in full charge. Maybe it's just 3 there. I'm not totally sure on that. Yeah, but if I unplug this, being wired to that phone, and then let's attach it again. So like this, always have the line side down. There, it's charging. Now that blue light's back on. So that means you're doing this wirelessly. So yeah, I mean, I'm seeing that this is working good. So might be a good device. Now one thing I did see in other reviews, this gets very hot. Of course it's gonna get hot. All these MagSafe wireless charging devices get hot. You know, one of my favorite brands, theirs does the same thing. It don't matter what brand you get, it's the technology behind it. You're taking wattage wirelessly. So of course it's gonna get hot. Yeah, there's no way. Power is being transmitted that way and it's gonna get hot. So they do say in the description of this thing that it's built-in heat protection. So something I wanted to break in this video and show you guys. I'm charging it right here. So it is flashing these lights showing that it's charging and how charged it is. Once it gets to that far light right here, then it's going to be fully charged. This here light closest to the USB-C port, it will turn blue like we see in the video when you're charging a device wirelessly. This here button, I think what just wakes it up. I'm not totally sure. I think you can't hold it in and it will turn off also. But I think the thing goes to sleep when it charges your device it goes to sleep when it hasn't been charging a device or doing anything. I'll say that. It does say in the instructions that it takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge this here power bank. Be careful. Do not leave it in a hot car, you know, or it can damage the battery. At least try to charge this once every 3 months, okay? Because this type of stuff doesn't always get used. So you tend to forget, you know, where you put it. It sets and sets and doesn't get used. So just be sure to charge this thing. Because what happens, a battery sits without being charged for a while, and then it goes bad and it won't take a charge at all because the cells go dead. Because they lose all their memory and all the juice, let's say. When you're out, no way to charge the phone. 5,000 milliamp, that's a lot. I mean, because most of the phones, you know, they're like 3,000, 4,000. So it'll charge from dead, you know, a phone to fully charge it. So yeah, it's a great idea to have one of these. I've never had one, so I'm excited to have this now. So it'll come in handy. So, and I couldn't show you with my phone because, well, I'm recording with it right now. So that's why I'm having to use one of my phones. I'm going to part out here. So let me know if you have any questions. And I will put a link to this item on Amazon in the description of this video. So if you are interested in one, go out and get one. Not a bad price for what you get, you know, and definitely worth trying out some, you know. Like this video if you like this, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and go check out one of these if you're interested in getting one today. I'll have the link down there in the description. Thanks for watching today.